And we're back. So, this area kind of kicked me in the nuts for the past couple days when I'm supposed to be filming and vlogging and so on. No go. It was raining, it was overcast, cloudy, it didn't lend itself to any good shooting conditions. And then on the day that I'm supposed to leave, ta-da! Beautiful day. So I'm staying an extra day just to bring you some Santa Catalina content. Let me do it quickly before anything changes too rapidly. But yeah, welcome. So very much like Bocas del Toro, this place is a ghost town, but it has so much potential. I can see this place really hopping and popping during times of high season or just on a regular time. The hotels look really nice, the hostels look nice. There are at least 9 different dive shops here that can take you out to Coiba, which happens to be one of the best dive sites in Central America. It's a very treasured little island here in Panama. World-class diving. So let's check out some more stuff. So there's a place called Mama Ines, I believe, on the Santa Catalina Surf Point. I don't know. There's something about this place that just, when I got here, the smells, the view, there's just something about it. I can't describe it, but I have to come back here. Yeah, I was saying, it got a little noisy in there. The smells, the music, the view, everything just really worked at that point in time, and it just gonna give me a nice, I don't know, tropical feeling. So this is gonna be our trip to look at. There's a place called Oasis Surf Camp, and it's across a river. You can't get to this place unless you cross the river. And I am going to give you an example of what that looks like right now. If you're over there while that tide comes in, you're pretty much stuck there. So I'm seeing 2 individuals actually coming from there now. Check it out. definitely won't be getting any waves today. It's pretty small, longboarder vibes, so I mean it's not bad, but it's not the Santa Catalina that I have seen in photos and have been told about. But this thing is all about timing of swell, it's about timing of the tide, because tide on the Pacific is usually pretty intense. It goes from all the way out there and it goes all the way into those houses that you see in the distance over there. So yeah, it's not surfing today, but let me see if I can capture a couple things that will intrigue you as far as hotels, as far as houses. Let me just kind of give you some good stuff. So I have been offered dinner from the kind folks at Villa Coco, simply because they like what I've been doing for Panama so far. When I explained to them what I've been doing, I just came here to film, to include them as part of the video, and they offered to have me for dinner at some point. So I think I'll definitely take them up on the offer. Thanks folks, and hopefully I work with you all in the future, probably on a professional scale. So cheers. Okay, let's talk about it. I am seeing a lot of interest in the comments about people coming to visit, people coming to consider relocating and want to rent somewhere, or just people who flat out want to relocate and buy property here, asking me about properties, the different areas to live in and so on. So my sponsor, Inside Panama Real Estate, has given me an email address that you can reach out to me, and I can channel you to the right people, the right properties and so on, so you can get your dream location and your dream home or your dream property. Be sure to email me at richard@ipreinfo.com, and we'll get right back to you with all the information that you will possibly need for finding property here and possibly relocating. So I have an incredible team that I'm working with. Shoot me that email and I will get you the right person. I'm very thankful to these folks at Inside Panama Real Estate and DoPanama.com for giving me the opportunity to provide you, my subscriber base and my viewers, with the information that you would need to relocate and find the properties that you so desire. Thanks folks. And just like that, we're out of here. Santa Catalina, it was nice. I know I will be back soon. I have to check out Coiba for sure, that underwater explore, and so many more things. I want to connect with a couple people and some companies here and so on. So let's get this tourism back up and running in Panama. You have so much to offer. I will see you soon, and I will properly get a good surf when I come back. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll be back on the next adventure on the Azuero Peninsula. I think I was saying that wrong all the time, but yeah, here we go. Bye for now. You ready?